What the fuck are the shoes that you actually need? Getting a new pair of shoes is like getting a new pair of feet. They just make you walk different. Whether they are for work, function, or fashion, every shoe in your wardrobe should serve a different purpose. But they all should serve the purpose of making you look good. So, whether you are a sneakerhead or a complete beginner in men's fashion, here are the 5 types of shoes that you need. First off, we have your sports shoe. Now, most people think that a good sports shoe is comfortable and supportive for the type of exercise that you're doing. But that's not all. They can also just look good. Just look at your Air Force Ones, Yeezys, or even Vans. You can use them to dress down almost any attire and give yourself a laid-back, more modern look. Then you have your work shoes. Your work shoes are your daily drivers. They are the shoes that you'll be wearing most of the time. Now, the type of shoes that you wear here depends on what kind of job you have. But I'm a tradie. I need to prioritize safety. How can that ever be stylish? Timberlands, R.M. Williams, Doc Martens. These all have steel toe options that look great. Everybody should have a pair of casual shoes. They're the shoes you wear when you're off the clock and ready to chill out, reset, and recharge. These are the shoes you wear to signal to others that playtime has arrived. Dun, 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 dun. Priority here is that they look good and suit your everyday style. So really, pretty much anything goes here. It's whatever you feel most comfortable wearing. Try looking at skate shoes like Vans or Converse, or some casual Chelsea or Chukka boots. Semi-casual shoes are perfect to dress down your formal wear or dress up your casual wear. These are supposed to be a step up from your casual shoes, but you still wouldn't wear them to a black tie event. These are the shoes you wear to dates, to a night out, to social events, or just when you're feeling like you want to dress up a bit. These are shoes like your desert boots, your penny loafers, your Chelsea boots, or even a good pair of Chukka boots. Then finally, you have your shoes that you wear on a special occasion. These are the shoes that you wear when you have meticulously sculpted your hair, picked out your best suit and tie, and you're wearing your best cologne. These shoes should be the pinnacle of class and style. These are your Oxfords, Derbies, Brogues. Look at brands like R.M. Williams, Stefano, Gucci, and Ted Baker, to name a few. This has been What the Fact. My name's Ryan. I'm a videographer and content creator here at the Untitled Chapter. If you learned something today, or just like the video, hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit us up below in the comments, and have a good day.